So it's been a while na nagbuhat ko video. But for this video mga boss, today is 2nd of December 2025. So I would like to grab this opportunity na magpasalamat sa isang company dito sa Davao mga boss, a food supplement company na nagbigay ng sponsor sa atin to, to continue our healing process. So road to treatment mga boss. So soon I will be sharing to you yung journey ko sa sakit na to mga boss. But as of now, magpapasalamat na ako mga boss for this company. So itong company ito is MG Son Whitening and Food Supplement na trading dito sa Davao. So ang may-ari nito mga boss sila Ma'am Chin, Mary Grace Manabit and Sir Gerson Manabit. Thank you so much sir and Ma'am Chin and Sir Gerson sa binigay yung sponsor. So ito mga boss, binigyan nila ako ng ito, stem cell na beauty drink. So, yung ingredients naman nito mga boss is, main ingredients ito is acai berry, grapeseed extract, beetroot, green tea, marine collagen, pomegranate extract, apple fruit extract, and ginseng fruit extract. So, no added sugar. So, very good for like me. Ayan. And dalawa to mga boss. Ayan. Dalawa to. And then, meron din silang binigay na superfood drink. Ayan. So, organic din to mga boss, zero sugar. So, dalawa yung binigay nila mga boss. Thank you so much. And lastly is itong Vital Herbs. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Ma'am Chin and Sir Gerson for this. Ayan. So, I will try this one. Inumin natin. So, meron akong sample dito na 200 ml. Ano bang 200 ml dito? Try natin. Ayan. So, meron akong 200 ml na cold water. So, ito lang i-try natin. So, 200 ml cold water for one sachet of this one. So, kuha tayo ng isang sachet mga boss. So, one sachet is good for 200 ml na cold water. So, you may take this one 1 to 3 times a day. So, best siya imnon mga boss kung walay sulod imong yan, pero nakakaon na mahugod. So, my first meal is around 12 noon kanina mga boss. So, time check is already 2:30 in the afternoon. So, let's try this one. This is a stem cell beauty drink. Yan, ay, sorry. Try natin ito inumin. So, this is a food supplement mga boss. No approved therapeutic claim. So, wala namang masama kung i-try lang natin mga boss. Wala naman siyang added sugar. Pure organic. And, tara. So, thank you so much, MG Son. Whitening and Food Supplement Trading. Ma'am Chin and Sir Gerson. Natural lang yung taste. I'm drinking. You want some? A superfood. Okay. Ano tong stem cell mga boss? Anong benefits nito? So according dito sa packaging nila mga boss, it maintains normal cell growth and function, hinders UV damage, counters free radicals and prevents premature aging, improves body vitality, reduces fatigue, increases alertness, and enhances mental focus. For allergens, it contains milk. So, ayun. So, thank you so much, MG Son, Ma'am Chin, and Sir Gerson for this. And, ayun. Thank you so much for the sponsor. Bye. Video kayo mga boss. So, try ko hanapin yung page nila. kung gusto niyo mag-order nito, ayan. Tomorrow I will try this one. Later I will try this one and this one. Bye.